I have such bad fidgets. Really want to trade with someone. Oh, look over there. They have so many fidgets. Like, they're so rich. I'm going to go ask if I can trade with her. Hi, can I trade with you?
Yeah, of course. What do you have to offer?
I'd like to offer this broken dimple digits. Still works.
Seriously? A broken dimple digits? This has 3 holes in it. Do you think I'm going to trade for that?
But that's the only thing I have.
It's not the only thing. You have a marble mesh. So, since you have such bad fidgets and you really want to offer for all of my fidgets, or at least some of them, I'm going to have to make you go search for some.
Okay. I'll do anything to trade with you. What do you want?
I want a purple Among Us puppet, a Tangle, a green flippy octopus, and a unicorn dimple. Is that okay with you?
Yes, I'll be back in a minute. Oh my god, we need to find those fidgets to trade with her. Where am I going to find those? Maybe we'll search over here. Oh my god! I found my Among Us puppet. 1 down, 3 to go. Oh, over here. A green flippy octopus puppet. 2 more to go. Oh, what's that? A Tangle. Got it. And last thing, what was it? A unicorn dimple. Where are we gonna find that? Oh, I found one. Right here. Let's go back and trade. Okay, I got everything. Everything you wanted.
Let me finish your sentence off. I got everything you wanted. Okay, so yes, you've got this. Well, you did a great job. I think you deserve to trade with me. Do you want my whole thing, or do you have something particular you want to trade for?
So I'll add in all. Okay, I'll give you all the 4 things you wanted. And I kind of want that normal dimple digits. That wonderful peacock puppet. That dimple.
This one?
Yes. And that dimple hardshell puppet.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice trading with you.
Same. Oh my god, guys. Look how much fidgets we have. Look. Way more than before. See you guys later. Subscribe for more. Peace.
Peace.